I'm testing out Tammy with Collar Valley Cooks canned green beans that taste like homegrown, right out of the garden. You won't believe it. I've made these before and I don't make them any other way now. It's so simple. You literally just dump in your green beans, and I like to use the cut green beans, Hanover brand. That's my favorite. And then you add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, that just depending on how many cans of green beans that you make. The secret is cooking all of the water out of the green beans. I never would have thought that between that and adding the little bit of oil, you don't have to add any butter, nothing like that. You just cook all the water out. So do not add water and just let them cook down. Here are my green beans cooking away. Okay, I wanted you to see these green beans. They're not quite ready. But you see how there's still water in the bottom? We want to really let that get all the way out. Now, something she did, which I do not do, because I don't want to add extra sugar, but she put like a tablespoon of sugar down here and let that caramelize a bit. I don't do that, and they still taste like homegrown. So I'm going to let these keep going. They're getting close, but I still see liquid bubbling. But you do kind of have to keep your eye on them at this point. Okay, these are ready. There's no liquid in the bottom. I'm going to just kind of stir them around, get some of that oil kind of burnt up there a bit. Supper is looking good tonight. Green beans. Make your green beans like this. You won't make them any other way. And we have potato salad. Look at those green beans, y'all. They came out so good.